Welcome back to AgentsOps, your go-to place for AI automations, nerdy tech fun, and a sprinkle of magic from the world of bots. Today, we're diving into something super cool and super powerful. Dify. Never heard of it? Don't worry, I got you. So, what the heck is Dify anyway? Well, imagine if ChatGPT and low-code platforms had a brilliant baby. Yeah, that's Dify. Dify is this awesome open-source, low-code platform that helps you build and deploy generative AI applications without being a Python wizard. Whether you're a dev or just someone who knows their way around a keyboard, you can build cool stuff like AI agents, chatbots, and more. It comes packed with an intuitive prompt interface, fancy retrieval augmented generation engines, a flexible AI agent framework, and a sweet drag-and-drop low-code workflow builder. Now you might be thinking, wait, I already use an 8N. Is this the same thing? Nope. They're like apples and oranges. N8N is like your workflow wizard, perfect for automating tasks, connecting apps, doing back-end magic. Dify? It's your AI playground. It's all about working with large language models, LLMs, handling AI prompts, and building smart, chatty applications. So while N8N automates your to-do list, Dify builds your virtual financial advisor. And speaking of financial advisors, today we're building a stock market chatbot agent using self-hosted Dify. You'll be able to literally chat with stocks, ask how they're doing, and even get entry-exit points. Well, sometimes. Just a quick note, this is strictly for learning. We're not giving any financial advice because that's just not our style, and some models used in Dify actually restrict financial suggestions. So play safe. First things first, head to the Plugins tab in Dify and search for Yahoo Finance. Hit that install button. This plugin fetches real-time stock data, which is basically fuel for your agent. Next, let's birth our agent. Go to the Agents tab, click New Agent, and give it a cool name like Stock Buddy or Mr. Wall Street. Add a description and an icon, just to make it look classy. Now give your agent some brains. Add an instruction prompt that tells it to analyze stock data. Be as specific as you want. Then attach the tools, Yahoo Finance's ticker, analytics, and news, stack them all in. Finally, hit that glorious publish button. Boom, your AI stock buddy is now live and ready to chat. Ask it about Apple, Tesla, or even your favorite meme stock. And that's it, folks. You now have your very own stock chatbot powered by Dify. Want to try it yourself? I've dropped the agent file in the description below. Go download it and start building. If you found this video fun, useful, or at least mildly entertaining, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share it with your geeky friends. Until next time, stay curious, stay automated, and stay awesome. Peace out from AgentsOps.